Horn of Africa is a volatile region with multiple conflicts, but Somaliland, a self-declared nation-state that has enjoyed political stability for 30 years, has been described as the African miracle that no one has heard of. And coming from there myself, I was keen to explore how an ancient site with beautiful cave paintings thousands of years old is now playing into the self-declared state's ambitions for international recognition. On a rocky outcrop in Somaliland, hidden in a series of caves, are some of the most important prehistoric paintings in the world. Vivid and extremely well preserved, female cattle with full udders and long curved horns are most prominent. Giraffes and goats are also shown, along with human figures with outstretched arms, worshipping the cattle and hunting with packs of dogs. It is believed that the Neolithic civilization that created the paintings had recently transitioned from hunter-gatherers to pastoralists with domesticated animals. Barely an hour and a half drive away from the capital Hargeisa, the LAAS cave remained unknown to the outside world for centuries and was only discovered in 2001 by archaeologist Muhammad Abdi Ali, a former guerrilla fighter and Somaliland's answer to Indiana Jones.
I've been here before, but it's a place that still absolutely takes your breath away.
Muhammad told me why the site's paintings are uniquely preserved.
godkan dabayl badani kuma dhici jirin gooy hoy libaax bay ahayd dadkana psychology ahaan cid kastaba ha u sheegto waxaa loo tusay goob libaaxyadu wax le jibanku joogaan.
LAAS translates to Camel's Well, giving clues to why this site